Hello and welcome back to another Northern Outsiders video. So on the plan is today is that we are going out, taking the nice old 125 Suzuki, beautiful bike, and we're gonna go do some MX for you guys. We're actually meeting up with a couple of the boys. Braden will be there, obviously part of the channel. He's not doing the intro with me right now because he is not here. But I'm waiting to get a ride. We're gonna bring these bikes up to MX for today. No, it's gonna be lots of fun. We got a 250 Husqvarna going. We got a 250 KTM. It's about to be lit. It's about to be so much fun. And nothing more to say than that. It's gonna be fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash that subscribe button, also the like button. Let's get to that 200 goal, because that's really what we're trying to achieve right now. But I'll see you guys in a bit. GoPro rolling for when you crash. Yes, sir. Well, that sounds like try it. Yeah, it's not sounding great. Okay, let's go, Ripper.
Yeah. That way, downhill. We'll put it in second. Yeah. Do I hold the clutch when I do? Yes.
Just wait up. Can't get my glove on. Hopefully we don't break a chest today. Been working out enough, we should be fine. There's Kyle. We're gonna head out to the back to practice. His bike is fucked. That too? No, it's not dead. He can't get it started, but it seems like he got it maybe. Yeah. I couldn't get mine started either. His engine's doing some weird shit. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna bring him. We're gonna rip it around back there. Wait. Oh shit. Fuck. Wait up. How's it going?
Not good.
Uh-oh. See, listen.
Oh, you guys go.
Everyone here is so nice. How's, like, what, like, it's not starting?
No, the battery's leaking.
The battery's dead?
It started.
Uh-oh.
Where's Connor?
I don't even know. Where did Connor go?
Oh, was he the one who was helping me a while ago? Does he have like long hair?
No, that's Kyle.
Oh.
Kyle with the middle part?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I knew why it wasn't
Where were
starting.
you?
I left the fucking fuel line off and I killed it.
You idiot. Where were you?
I was getting my battery charged.
Okay, listen. We're gonna go running a couple rounds back there, okay? Then we're gonna come back and see how he's doing.
What's going on with his?
You wanna check it out? You can help him out, bro.
What's going on with it?
It's not starting.
What's on this kickstand, man?
I got you. Look at your little two-passenger princess.
Let me bring it closer.
There's Kyle.
Alright, what's going on, bro?
What time is it? Wait, Connor. Can I rip it? Can I just one?
You're not gonna like it. His back brake is really weird. Try using it.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh well. Is this kickstart?
Electric.
Oh
Hold
shit.
the clutch.
Wait up.
Pop that on. Hold on the clutch. Press that button. Green one.
Is he in first? Alright, let's go. Wait, just like we're going around though.
Okay, let me leave.
Alright, go.
On the actual track.
No, not yet. We're just going around this this sand. Okay, we're gonna go on, but you gotta like, we're going first gear.
Yeah, we're gonna go slow.
And people are gonna pass us, so don't be like, oh, he doesn't have a kickstand.
Leaning against the picnic table, maybe? Like, so it did start.
Okay,
Yeah.
Seriously, but you lost a screw?
I only 5 minutes, and I think I put the screw back in the seat.
Okay.
This is kind of what it looks like. I found this randomly.
Will that one work?
No, it's not there. No, I'm talking about the seat.
Okay, all right.
Can't route it.
Okay.
Thank you so much for letting us come out. That was awesome.
Well, of course. You guys, but you still have 5 minutes to ride.
We still have 5 minutes?
5 minutes. And
You want,
then when you see
no,
me-
Braden, get on.
Do you want some of mine even?
Oh, that's super.
Well, come on. He didn't pay $40 for nothing. Get on this.
Like, bro, you
Oh,
can,
where are you going?
you can jump on mine. It's a bit bigger than his.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, you guys are awesome.
Thank you, though. I really appreciate it.
Oh, of course.
It's-
So what do you prefer, trail riding or
Oh,
track?
what the heck? MX all the way. What?
I did a lot of trail riding, but I'm
This is-
doing a track. So.
Okay, and it's like not good
Yeah, it is not
conditions.
awesome on the track. Like, even with me, I'm going, well, okay, we're taking it slow first year
Yeah, of course.
around the track, and I'm getting stuck. But
Do you guys ever come and watch the races we have here?
I sometimes do. I don't know. My friend Kyle, his cow, he's on this KTM right there. I met him. He told me about this place. I've been here for my past 2 birthdays. I love it.
Okay.
I used to ride some of your, I think, 90 cc's Yamahas around here. It was awesome.
Okay.
The Yamaha. Are you guys still on Yamahas here?
That's awesome.
Are you guys doing like a sale at any point? 'Cause I
We
am.
had 250.
You're gonna be wanting to ride it like second or third.
That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for maybe a 250. Maybe.
Yeah.
I have a buddy that I just saw. He said that he might sell his for 230. You want to go? No.
All right. I won't talk.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Alright, I gotta follow you. Thanks, Connor.
Connor, you're a legend. I'll come back and you can ride mine around.
Oh, you got 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. I don't know.
Don't worry, you got 5. I'll give you 5. What?
You ride on the track?
Yes, we're riding on the track. Okay, wait up.
I'll follow you. I don't know.
I got one fucking tip for you. It's basic as shit. Just sit on corners and stand up on those straightaways. Yeah.
And listen, lift your
More control in there. Okay.
lift your leg on corners. You saw me going up those jumps. I'm dragging crap. Don't go over first gear. If you get stuck, maybe.
I came into this with like minimal knowledge. I was like watching MX videos. That's about it. So
Listen.
I do like. Yeah.
I've done this before. It's fucking awesome.
By the way, when you went up that hill, bro, you chucked so much mud in my face.
Yeah, look at
I had my visor up.
look at your jacket, bro. This is my stupid bike. It won't go fast enough.
Bro, I need.
Ready?
Show me one of my.
I'm telling you, it's crazy. You ready?
What?
I thought you got stuck.
Yeah, I did.
Don't use the pressure washer, use the garden hose. Because with these small bikes, if you spray that spark plug, it's not gonna start again. Yo, you wanna line all our bikes up and take a photo?